All right, folks. We're gonna be cutting some wood. If I can get this open.
Under what?
I'm not talking to you.
Good.
Talking to all people out there. Find me a flathead screwdriver. Make yourself useful.
There ain't one of you.
I'll give me a pair of pliers then. Should be good on gas and bar oil because the tree's not too big.
You want me to run my mower over there?
For what?
Put them big old branches up on the thing and...
We will once we get it cut up.
Okay.
So let's use the mower. All right, on to another one, guys. You can see grass has gotten a little tall, a little thick. You can see it's pretty tall. Got a little bit of a tree that we need to get cut up and moved for this customer. Good taken care of. Look at them flower beds. Still looking good. Sprayed them earlier in the spring. No weeds. No weeds. Man, look at something's good. No, we're the right thing to use. Is that the tree we gotta cut? The one you're holding?
Yeah.
That little bitty thing?
It's a lot.
Good big dead branch. Fell right off the side there.
Where's the coffin?
Right there.
Oh, I see now.
Yeah, I was worried about that because I was afraid one of these days it was gonna fall on us.
I was looking.
You can see the yard, folks. Y'all stay tuned, we're gonna get this cut up. All right, folks, quick and easy. Got her all cut up. Fixing to haul her over to the fire pile. Get this stuff cleaned up and be ready to cut. Be some good firewood for the marshmallows. Too bad I can't have any. It would hurt my seafood diet. But yard looks pretty decent, just growed up a little bit. A couple sticks to pick up. You can see back here. It's a little tall, a few sticks in the ground. A few things that fell. Wow, that's interesting. Felt like a big knife in the ground. Check that out. Yeah, buddy. A few broken limbs, not too bad. Just a little high. Gonna have to probably go over this a couple times just to get it knocked down, get it looking decent. Top cut's just pretty much gonna get it taken care of, and then the second cut's gonna get it cleaned up. But this customer's always really good to us, so we'll be good to her and her family and stuff and take care of them. And stay tuned to the next clip, guys. We'll get to the mowing here shortly. Having some issues with the mower there. Get these logs picked up, folks. Actually got her doing something, guys.